Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. And Libras, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading, Libras. And Libras, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. It's Death, Ace of Cups, and Eight of Cups. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in this relationship, you may feel that something is not right. You are having a lot of emotional stress, something is not working, and you are wishing good things for yourself, good things for this love, and you are trying your best doing the things that you need to do today. But in your situation, there are some changes happening. Something is happening. Though you are trying to change yourself, you are facing a lot of trials, going through a lot, sacrificing a lot, but still your circumstances are not changing. And something is inevitable. Maybe it may be part of your destiny. All that difficulty you are seeing today, and maybe you are even thinking of walking away from this person or walking away from this love because you feel that it is too much for you to handle and things are not going to change. So you have lost all hope and faith in your future, and you are thinking that nothing will change this person, nothing will change their mind. So, some difficulties are there in your life today, Libras. And though you are trying to change something, you are not seeing the change today, and that may be the reason for some disappointment, sadness, and you feel that nothing is going to change this person. But you should not lose heart, Libras. This Ace of Cups here, it's a very positive card. So maybe you will get a chance to make a change today. It may be something you wish to change in this relationship. Maybe you will get the opportunity to explain things. Maybe if you have done something wrong, or if you are the one who needs to change today, or it may be an opportunity this person is expecting. So they have something to tell you and they will come to tell you, and circumstances will change in your situation, in your relationship. So some inevitable changes are coming for you guys, and it may be a very drastic circumstance you will see today, Libras. But you need to understand that this is not the end of everything. Certainly, something is going to change things. Something is going to bring a change in your life today, in your circumstance today. So, we will see what is the card. It's Nine of Pentacles. Just like I said, you are going to see happiness and you are going to feel so satisfied. Contentment is there in your situation. But all you need to do is hold yourself, stay strong today, because these changes are not going to last forever and it is not the end of things. So you will see that everything will fall into place very soon in your life, Libras. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's the Star. So some kind of a beginning is coming for you. Your hopes and dreams are going to come true, and whatever you wish for is going to come true. And maybe you will see the glimpses of something beautiful, something wonderful unfolding in your life today. But you need to do what you need to do. Maybe the efforts you need to make today, you must go for it. And if you make honest efforts, that will never be wasted, Libras. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, Orange Calcite. So this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy for your relationship is sometimes it is easy for us to tell no, that you cannot do something instead of trying to do something. And you have infinite possibilities, and that will become evident to you if you are able to draw that inspiration from within yourself, feeling inspired that you can do anything, that you can do anything you want. So this is the time for you to have that creativity inspiring you in many ways. So with this person you love, you may try to have a healthier relationship, a more satisfying relationship if you are more creative. And your creativity will reshape your connection, and partnerships evolve when you are creative and when you are working with that inspiration in your heart. And this creativity will deepen the intimacy you have with each other and the trust you have with each other. And you need to be more playful and creative in your relationship if you want a very positive, beautiful connection, and if you want to build a strong foundation in your situation, in your relationship. And this card here is something that helps us to overwhelm. Maybe we may have a shyness, or we may have some kind of we are trying to stay away, but this crystal helps us to overcome our shyness and depression if we have. So meditating with this crystal is good for us. It just brings out that playfulness, friendly attitude, and that openness in our relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, this card, we will see what it is. The Fates. So sometimes in our relationship, guys, people are who they are and we cannot change them. And the challenge is to accept them as they are without trying to make them otherwise to suit you. So this is not the time for you to mold people according to your view, or how you should be or how they should be, so that you can remain in that relationship without any discomfort. And maybe whatever happening today, happening between you both, is the perfect thing, is something perfect from the perspective of the spirit. It means that it is happening for a reason. So it is time for you to accept what you cannot change in this connection. And maybe you need to honor yourself, honor this person, and maybe sometimes it may even involve moving on with your life. So you must be ready to love unconditionally. And each of us are on our own life path, and we cannot direct that of another person. And you must be aware that this relationship is indeed fated. Some kind of destiny is the reason for this relationship in our life. And you are meant to evolve into a better person of yourself as a result of this situation. So you must try to surrender yourself, surrender to whatever you are seeing today in your situation. And if you have that acceptance in your heart, you will see that your circumstances are going to change and you are going to be so happy, and you will have that peace of mind and serenity. And maybe whatever is preordained for you in your situation, in your connection, that is what is happening, that is what will come for you. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.